So it really depends on whether you already bought a Steam key on G2A or you're planning to buy one. But the activation process itself is pretty simple once you have the key. Because after completing your purchase on G2A, you need to log into your G2A account, go to My Library, and reveal or copy the Steam key provided by the seller. Then open the Steam app on your PC, click Games at the top, select Activate a product on Steam, choose Next, agree to the terms, and paste the key to redeem it. And if everything goes through correctly, the game will instantly show up in your Steam library ready to download. But if you run into an error, make sure the key matches your region and hasn't already been redeemed. And if it still doesn't work, you can open a ticket with the seller or G2A support directly from the order page, which is why it's always smart to check seller ratings before buying in the first place. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.